If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Slip the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the phone, did quick believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and so first to the face, I hear the voice, you don't know say a KOGENCY for the KOGENCY React channel. And today, bro, we have don't do legs, I'll chop off your legs. But why you think I have this white tee on, bro? You think I wanna go outside like this? Nah, bro. I'm gonna get the wrong attention. But guess what? I'm feeling drilly today, bro, and I'm inside, so nobody can tell me anything. I can be as big as a driller I wanna be as long as I'm inside. You understand? And right now I feel like don't do legs, I'll chop off your legs. That's what I feel. You understand? I know you're thinking, bro, so are you gonna react to the song if you're singing the songs from the song? Bro, I don't know the song. If you watch the Santana video that we did, you know that that's what he put in there. Don't do legs, I'll chop off your legs. Like some other lyrics, but I don't remember any of the lyrics. All I remember is don't do legs, I'll chop off your legs. So I want to hear the song, bro. And then he was like, bro, this came out 8 months ago and still on YouTube. I want to hear the rudeness because I heard spilling. In a job I don't know about bath, I just got popping in the upstairs class. On the wing try kick man's ass, on the road try put him 6 feet in grass. While going for this dickhead youth, you coming to my block and taking snaps. But your friend got fucking packed and you ain't done a thing but you're making tracks. You understand? Yeah, bro, I'm ready. I'm ready. Steady. Yeah, man, I have way too much energy. Just jump into it, man. Hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments, reply to all the comments. And let's go, man. Don't do legs. I'll chop off your legs.
Me and bro just fly OT, come back down and take.
It's my twin, bro. It's my twin. Alright, bring the shirt down a little bit more, bro. You don't want them, you know what I'm saying, IDing you from your forehead. You understand?
Is this clock?
Aye.
The man do so much beat that 22p, I keep it on me.
I cannot imagine walking around with a 22-inch bladed article. Bladed object. 22 inches, dog. Like, where would I even... Like, my thighs and God damn, nigga. Anyway.
Me and bro just fly OT, come back down and tape off.
Aye. My twin. Don't do legs.
The man do so much beat that 22p, I keep it on me.
Let me show you how hooks and
Step.
Aye.
Let me show you how hooks and step.
Electric pedals were a 1-2 ped. I don't do it for the net. I pull up in black and leave ops red.
Aye.
He try run and got chef. Don't do legs.
I'll chop off your legs. Yes, fam. That's what I'm here for. Let's say it one more time.
Show you how hooks
So
and
step.
Electric pedals were a 1-2
Please
ped.
pen.
I don't do it for the net. I pull up in black and
Leave
ops
and red.
Wet that. He try run and got
Chef, don't do legs. I'll chop off your legs.
I stepped with the shirt so long. Failed, I left it a mess. Got chopped by the 22
inch.
and chunged by the 16 inch. He would've got shot in his face. You look at that and never got clean to the brim. Man can't tell me about ops. Got chinged with a 15 inch. We chased him 4 to the shop. He crashed his bike and then he got chinged. Man can't tell me about violence. Been doing this since I was a kid.
Bro, why? Why were you doing this as a kid? Or why are you saying it like, it's, you know what I'm saying, you're proud to be doing that as a kid? You should be enjoying life as a kid, bro. But anyway.
His bike and then he got chinged. Man can't tell me about violence. Been doing this since I was a kid.
Why?
3RR, he locked in the wing. He just got grabbed by Sid. Talk about gang, but gang keep chest and sieves. I just took a trip to no one was there, so I just went crib.
I just took a gang. I can't see some sliding. No one's there as well, so I'm sliding. Trying to do me a drill. Shank on me anyway that chill. Free up the fucking road when the jailhouse so broski chills. Wet my man in his back. My young boy got 2 on that. Anyways, bro, you know me, once I start singing other songs, I can't stop.
But gang keep chest and sieves. I just took a trip to no one was there, so
I just
went
said,
crib. Me and bro just fly OT, come back down and tape off scenes. Bad B wanna take off jeans, I don't sip lean, I'm high off weed. The man
facts.
do so much beat, that 22B, I keep it on me. The nigga got turned to leave, chilling and baking up in the trees. Me and bro just fly OT, come back down and tape off scenes.
I was just about to say, I had to pull that up again, dog, cause that sound mad, but guess what? I'm still pulling it up, even though it's the hook. He's gonna say it twice, but I want to say it 4 times.
Gang keep just showing slivs. I just took a trip to no one was there, so I just went crib. Me and bro just fly OT, come back down and tape off scenes. Bad B wanna take off jeans, I don't sip lean, I'm high off weed. The man do so much speed, that 22B, I keep it on me. The nigga got 10 to leave, chillin' and bacon up in the trees. Me and bro just fly OT, come back down and tape off scenes. Bad B wanna take off jeans, I don't sip lean, I'm high off weed. The man do so much speed, that 22B, I keep it on me. The nigga got 10 to leave, chillin' and bacon up in the trees. I rap on beats, but I do it in person. I really left my man hurting. Back to the base and close them curtains. We taped up cold, that's certain. I was on the wing with money just baking. We really had to shaking. They ain't about that block is vacant. But I can't lie, needs one more tape and Rambo on me.
You see, I had them shaking, bro. I had them shaking. Like, fucking hell, man. Start over the verse, man. Jesus.
Do it with base and close them curtains. We taped up cold, that's
No, start it over.
on me. Your nigga got 10 to leave, chillin' and bacon up in the trees. I rap on beats, but I do it in person. I really left my man hurting. Back to the base and close them curtains. We taped up cold, that's certain. I was on the wing with money just baking. We really had to shaking. They ain't about that block is vacant. But I can't lie, needs one more tape and Rambo on me. Do it with MK, pedal back drips and born. This dirty gone way too long, so you know we have to get that sword. Rip my man at his clothes, leaving Kalas, there on the floor. Ask man bore and score, wet my man, watch blood pour. Me and bro just fly OT, come back down and
Nah, but the second verse was as nice as the first verse, but the hook is nice though.
man bore and score, wet my man, watch blood pour. Me and bro just fly
It's more grime and grease more than anything. I think he just want to let us know how evil he is.
OT, come back down and tape off scenes. Bad B wanna take off jeans, I don't sip lean, I'm high off weed. The man do so much speed, that 22B, I keep it on me. Your nigga got 10 to leave, chillin' and bacon up in the trees. Me and bro just fly OT, come back down and tape off scenes. Bad B wanna take off jeans, I don't sip lean, I'm high off weed. The man do so much speed, that 22B, I keep it on me. Your nigga got 10 to leave, chillin' and bacon.
Alright, you see me now? I want to know, how can he see? How? That's covering all his eyes.
The man do so much speed, that 22B, I keep it on me.
Sack.
Your nigga got 10 to leave, chillin' and bacon up in the trees.
What say he is? Like we need a confirmation. Like we need a destination. Aye. Don't lurk in a public station. Aye. I don't lack in a public station. Ooh, this beat just changed vibration. I know that I ain't playing. I come round to just spraying, and on the ground you be laying. And no, I'm saying, and don't do legs. I'll chop off your legs. Listen to me, okay? Listen to me. Don't do legs. I'll chop off your legs. Really, I enjoyed this still, as in because I just felt like I was connecting with my twin. You understand? I was t-shirt, glasses up, you know what I'm saying? No, you know what I'm saying? I just felt like, don't do legs, I'll chop off your legs. So if I see anybody doing legs now, I'm instantly chopping those ankles, bro. Instantly, bro. 10 toes, what? You ain't got no toes, nigga. Chop them legs off. Anyway. Yo, hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments, can reply to all the comments. KOGENCY, the KOGENCY Reacts channel. How about this motherfucker, man? Yes. Yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get real.